Hi friends, today we're going to learn how to make a fox out of using hearts. Your first step is to color in your large heart. Now I'm using colors that are traditionally associated with Valentine's Day, but you are welcome to color in your fox however you'd like. So if you'd like him to be brown, if you'd like him to be blue, it can be any color you'd like. Next you're going to cut out your large heart. Then we are going to color in your small hearts. And again, you can use any color you'd like. You're going to cut out your small heart. Next, you're going to color in your ears, heart, and nose. So your larger triangles are going to be the outside of your ear, and the smaller triangles are going to be the furry part that goes inside of your ear. Now I drew a little highlight for my nose, but again, your nose and your eyes can look any way you'd like. So your 3 circles are going to be your eyes and your nose. Then you're going to cut out your ears, eyes, and nose. This is very important. You're going to fold your small heart in half. It's going to create a crease. And then along that fold, you're going to cut your heart. So now you will have 2 halves of your heart. Next, we're going to assemble all of our parts by gluing them onto our paper. So your small heart that you cut in half is going to be one side of your fox face. The other heart will be the other side of your fox face. Now I'm gluing on my nose and my 2 eyes. Your small triangle goes on top of your large triangle. And then we'll flip over our fox so that we can glue on our ears. This part is where I added some eyelashes and any kind of other accessories that you'd like. So if you would like your fox to have a bow, like I made a bow for mine, if you would like him to have, or her, to have glasses, you can have glasses, any kind of fun accessory if you want to give them fur. Now would be the time that you're going to add those details. And remember, you can be as creative as you like. Ta-da! Great job. Let's get started.